Welcome back, everyone. Get ready for another thrilling ride into the world of Spy X Family. The mission isn't over yet, and today we dive deeper into the elite and unpredictable Eden Academy. New characters enter, bold stars strike like thunder, and the pressure is rising. Can Anya keep up her cover? Can the plan survive one more chaotic day? Let's find out in today's episode of Spy X Family. No longer be tolerant. After the intro ends, the scene changes and we see Eden Academy, where someone is arriving. On the other side, a student is smoking. Just then, a lady suddenly slaps a tonitrus bolt on him without hesitation. Next, we see Master Henderson in class, speaking to the students. Being late to class, submitting assignments late, these things will no longer be tolerated. You all treated your midterm break like a joke. So now, even the smallest mistake will earn you a tonitrus bolt. I hope everyone understands. Anya whispers, "Why is he looking at me while saying this?" After class ends, Becky says to Anya, "I love shopping so much I completely forgot." Anya replies, "My papa is super strict, so I never forget anything." Then Damien arrives and says, "Anya, you're never on time for class. So I'm pretty sure you'll be the first in our class to earn 8 tonitrus bolts." Becky snaps, "Shut up, or I'll shut your mouth with one punch." Anya thinks the exact same thing silently. Becky then asks, "Damien, what makes you think you'll never get a bolt?" Damien's two followers proudly say, "That's impossible. Our boss will never get a bolt. And if he ever does, we'll run around the school in our underwear. Because whatever our boss says, he does it." Suddenly, Bill runs over panting. "Guys, hurry up and get out of here before it's too late. Something dangerous is about to happen." Meanwhile, two students are chatting. When suddenly, tonitrus bolts drop from above and stick to their heads. Then enters Master Henderson. "Mistress Schlag, you're exactly the same as before." She replies, "It's been a long time." Henderson asks, "So, how have you been?" She says, "Looks like you've turned soft. I heard you're teaching first years now. This time, I'll personally keep an eye on them." She walks off. She's Mistress Schlag of the Discipline Committee. Then Bill says to his friends, "I heard the students at Eden Academy are terrified of her. Because of her brutal style, I think she was hospitalized for some reason, but now she's back. And now she'll rain down tonitrus bolts on even the smallest mistake." They say she expelled 100 students from Eden Academy. That's why people call her the Iron Lady of Tonitrus Bolts. Everyone starts panicking in fear. Bill yells, "She's coming to our class. Run while you still can." Just then, Schlag enters. Were you talking about me? Anyway, it's nice to meet you all. Class 1, 3 students. You can't run or hide from me anymore." Then she says, "Is everyone here? If yes, then form a line. It's time for bag checks." Everyone nervously brings their bags to her, and she slaps a tonitrus bolt for every tiny mistake. Anya, watching her, thinks, "She's a monster." Everyone looks terrified. Damien says, "Relax, we don't have anything suspicious." She asks a student, "Where's your handkerchief?" The student replies, "I don't have one." Everyone gasps. She's going to give him a tonitrus bolt for just a handkerchief? Then Schlag tells a story. There once was a very good student. He was just one step away from becoming an imperial scholar. One day he forgot his handkerchief. After using the restroom, he wiped his wet hands on his pants. Everyone made fun of him, saying he had wet himself. They started calling him Mr. Pee-Pants. After that, his life went dark. He was later expelled from the school for inappropriate behavior. Then he couldn't get any jobs. Eventually, he joined the wrong crowd. I heard he got arrested. And now, I don't even know if he's alive or not. I don't want any Eden Academy student to end up like him. So carry your handkerchief. Always. Then everyone walks up one by one. Damien reaches into his pocket and realizes he forgot his handkerchief. He panics. If I get a tornitrus pulled, what will happen to me? Will everyone laugh at me? Will I have to run around school like those guys said? Will I ever be able to face my father again? Anya thinks, if that happens, Plan B is in danger. So Anya hands her handkerchief to Damien. Damien, shocked, says, if you do this, what about you? Anya replies, don't worry, I knew this could happen, so I brought an extra one for myself. With Anya's help, Damien shows the handkerchief to the teacher. But when it's Anya's turn, she checks her bag and realizes she doesn't have another one. She gets a tornitrus bolt. Anya is completely shocked. I thought I packed two. Damien thinks she's seriously an idiot. Seeing Anya cry, Damien steps forward to tell the truth. He starts to speak, but Schlag stops him. Just then, the school bell rings. Damien grumbles. Fine, I'll buy her a cake for this. Anya says, you're giving me a cake for such a big sacrifice? Damien yells, shut up! I just wanted to say thank you, alright? Anya smiles quietly and thinks, I'm not sure, but I think I just took one step forward in becoming friends with Damien. One step forward for Plan B. Later, when Anya returns home, she tells Lloyd, Papa, Damien and I became friends today. Lloyd is thrilled, but then he notices the tornitrus bolt on her. He faints and collapses to the ground. And that's when we learn. To become an Imperial Scholar, you need 7 stellar stars. To get expelled from school, you only need 6 tornitrus bolts. Right now, Anya has 1 stellar star and 2 tornitrus bolts. And she has no idea what shape Plan B is in anymore. So folks, that's a wrap for today's episode. But trust us, the real madness is just getting started. Will Anya cause more chaos? Is Damien actually becoming a friend? Or is Plan B heading straight for disaster? And the biggest question, who's getting the next tornitrus bolt? Stick with us because the drama at Eden Academy is about to get even spicier, crazier, and full of shocks. Stay tuned and remember, Mission Friendship isn't over yet, and neither is Anya's mischief. Catch you in the next episode with a brand new blast of fun. Bye bye, and hey, watch out, a tornitrus bolt might drop.